Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about HTML computer code elements. HTML contains several elements for defining user input and computer codes. So quickly, let me show you how this works. Back to our document, we're having empty code right here, empty document right here in our body tag here. We are seeing. So in our page right here, we are having nothing here. At the moment, it's empty. So quickly, let's specify computer code. To specify computer code, we are going to use code element inside HTML. So quickly, let's write some codes. X is equal to 1, close it. B is equal to 2, close it. Y is equal to X plus B. Let's save it and see how it will look. Can you see? All these are computer codes. As you can see, we just written computer code. So, Anwar akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. To the next.